Alrighty, let's talk about my secret ultralight sleeping bag liner. Uh, this thing is pretty cool, man. This is basically a tree cover, and I got this from Timu, straight from China, and it weighs about 1.9 ounces, which is like one of the lightest weight sleeping bag liners you can ever get. And this is a perfect example of thinking outside the box when it comes to products and camping and survival. Because a lot of the best stuff you can use is not really sold for that purpose, but that's kind of the fun of finding stuff that's being used for other things than the original intended idea of it was. But yeah, this is basically a insect net for trees and shrubs and growing trees and stuff to keep the bugs off, to stop them from killing and eating the fruits or whatever off the trees. But this thing's cool, man. I've been using this for like probably 2 years now, and no matter what, whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, I take this bad boy out there with me. And the material is basically just like mosquito netting, really really thin, but also it has holes in it, so that way moisture and condensation can escape without getting that condensation inside your sleeping bag or your tent or whatever. But it provides a lot of warmth for what it is. If you ever put like a mosquito net or a bug net over your head, you can tell it traps a lot of that heat and moisture around your face. And this basically does the exact same thing as a mosquito net. It keeps a lot of that warmth in, but lets all the moisture out, which makes it perfect for a sleeping bag liner, especially in fall and winter when you're trying to get some extra warmth and heat in your sleeping bag without having to carry a lot of weight. And this thing, it came with a drawstring, and you can actually, I just take the drawstring out just to save some weight. Let's see, we got an ounce. Let's go to grams. I think it saves about, 5 grams almost. If you want to minus 5 grams from it, take an extra 5 grams out by taking out the this little cordage here. And really, I just keep it stuffed in my sleeping bag. As soon as I start rolling up my sleeping bag, I'll just shove this in the bottom because takes up such little weight. I mean, little size. I mean, I just shove it in the bottom of that sleeping bag and pack it, roll it up with my sleeping bag. And yep. So the measurements of this thing is 150 centimeters by 80 centimeters, which comes to right about my shoulder. But if I had to, I could kind of curl up and get this thing to cover my whole body. But they do sell bigger sizes of this thing. If you're over, let's say, 6 foot or whatever, they sell a little bit bigger size. It's 160 centimeters by 230 centimeters. And this thing's pretty gigantic for me, so I don't use this one. But I would say if you're a bigger guy, like 6 foot and above, I think this would be a perfect size for you. But I was thinking too, as far as like survival purposes go, you guys who do any bushcraft or bedroll camping and sleeping, this would be perfect for you guys. If you're not really with the whole tarp, or if you're not really using stuff like that, if you want to keep the insects and bugs off of you while also having that sort of, bedroll camping, cowboy style, camping, this would be a pretty good idea. And it doesn't weigh anything, man. 1.9 ounces, you hardly know it's there. And for what it provides, as far as warmth goes in the wintertime, and additional insect protection from mosquitoes and spiders or whatever, this thing's it's a winner in my book, man. And I carry it with me every time I go out in the woods. So yep, very very outside the box product here, but it works very well if you use it as a sleeping bag liner. And now if you use the sleeping bag liners to keep the dirt off your sleeping bag, this ain't going to work, because there is, it's just like mosquito netting, there's holes in it. But if you're wanting some insect protection and some extra warmth in the winter and fall time, this is perfect, 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 perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.